Welcome to this tutorial on how to keep your archived chats hidden on WhatsApp. In today's digital age, maintaining privacy is more important than ever, and WhatsApp provides a useful feature to help you achieve this. Let's dive into the steps to ensure your archived conversations remain out of sight. First, open the WhatsApp app on your device. This is where all your conversations are stored, and it's essential to keep some of them private. Once you're in the app, tap on the three dots located in the top right corner of your screen. This will open a menu with several options. From this menu, select Settings. This is where you can customize various aspects of your WhatsApp experience. In the Settings menu, tap on Chats. This section allows you to manage how your conversations are displayed and handled. Scroll down through the options until you find Keep Chats Archived. This feature is crucial for maintaining the privacy of your archived conversations. By default, WhatsApp will unarchive a chat if you receive a new message from someone in that conversation. However, you can change this behavior. To keep your archived chats truly hidden, toggle off the Keep Chats Archived option. This simple step ensures that even if you receive new messages from archived conversations, they will remain in the archived folder and not reappear in your main chat list. This provides an added layer of privacy, allowing you to control when and how you engage with these conversations. By following these steps, you can effectively hide your archived chats on WhatsApp. This feature is especially useful if you want to keep certain conversations out of sight without deleting them. WhatsApp's archive feature, combined with the ability to customize notification settings, gives you more control over your digital interactions. In conclusion, keeping your archived chats hidden on WhatsApp is straightforward and enhances your privacy. Whether you're using an Android or iOS device, these steps apply universally. By taking a few moments to adjust your settings, you can ensure that your archived conversations remain private and hidden from view. Thank you for watching, and we hope this tutorial has been helpful in maintaining your digital privacy.